Well, viewers, there has been a fresh naming controversy that has broken out in the national capital over the name of Tughlaq Lane. That's right, Tughlaq Lane, which is one of the most prominent roads in the national capital, which houses several MPs and union ministers as well. However, the visuals that we are putting for our viewers on screen is that two Rajya Sabha MPs, which is Dinesh Sharma and Union Minister Krishnapal Gurjar, have changed the nameplates on their official residences and have gone on to mention Swami Vivekanand Marg instead of Tughlaq Lane. Let's first get you straight to Tughlaq Lane to show you what's happening on ground.
Amidst the name change politics, we see that how two of the senior leaders of the BJP, including one union minister, have changed their residence address to Swami Vivekanand Marg instead of Tughlaq Lane. So this is the residence of Dr. Dinesh Sharma, currently the Rajya Sabha member of the BJP and former Deputy Chief Minister of UP, which clearly says that this is Swami Vivekanand Marg, but in the bracket Tughlaq Lane is also mentioned. So this is basically Tughlaq Lane, but now we see that how Dinesh Sharma has changed the name to Swami Vivekanand Marg. Now just beside his house there is 8 Tughlaq Lane, which is the residence of Union Minister Krishnapal Gurjar, where also we can see that how the nameplate has been changed and Swami Vivekanand Marg has been added to the address, though the name of Tughlaq Lane is there, but it's in the bracket, but primarily it's Swami Vivekanand Marg which is written over here in the nameplate. Now it comes at a time when the opposition has been attacking the BJP, saying that BJP wants to indulge in name change politics because they want to divert the attention of people of the country from misgovernance and the economic crisis that is prevalent in the country, while the BJP has been saying this, that we need to get rid of the Islamic mindset, get rid of the slavery mindset, and hence the names which are there of the Indian icons, they should be put on the roads. Now another house over here, just few houses away, is of the senior official from the Navy, who has also changed his address to Swami Vivekanand Marg. But in both these houses we see that with Swami Vivekanand Marg, Tughlaq Lane is also mentioned. So we have to wait and watch how the opposition parties will react to it.
Now remember, several BJP leaders have been demanding changing the names of places, certain roads and institutions as part of broader agenda to shed the colonial legacies to reflect India's indigenous heritage. In 2015, the Aurangzeb Road in New Delhi was renamed to Abdul Kalam Road to honor the former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam following his death. The New Delhi Municipal Council had also approved the change in August this year.
ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने लिखा है, यहाँ पहले से भी कुछ लोगों ने लिख कर रखा है, और अगर आप गूगल का मैप उठाकर देखेंगे तो इसमें विवेकानंद रोड ही लिखा है। मकानों जब मैं आया हूं तो उसमें पहले से ही लिखा रहा कि विवेकानंद मार्ग और बीच में तुगलक लेन ब्रैकेट में। आज ही मैं आया हूं यहाँ पर, तो होना भी चाहिए वैसे, मेरा तो अब व्यक्तिगत मत है, हालांकि वो बोल्ड पहले से लिखा था, लेकिन आस पड़ोस के लोगों ने भी विवेकानंद मार्ग ही लिख रखा है। लेकिन निश्चित रूप में जो आक्रांता थे, जो विदेशी शासक थे, उनके चिन्ह, मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि किसी राज्य में उनके चिन्ह जो स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र होंगे वो अपने आक्रांताओं की स्तुतिगान नहीं करते दिखाई पड़ते होंगे।
अगर हमारे किसी वरिष्ठ नेता ने इस दिशा में कदम उठाया, वैसे भी गुलामी की मानसिकता से मुक्ति का यह सच्चा समय है, सही समय है, और ऐसे मार्गों का नामकरण हो, चाहे ऐसे शहरों का नामकरण हो, चाहे ऐसे जिलों का नामकरण हो जो गुलामी की पीड़ा को, मुगल आक्रमणकारियों के आतंक को याद दिलाते हों। लोगों को जो उस समय कष्ट सहना पड़ा, वह कष्ट इस समय शब्दों में व्यक्त नहीं किया जा सकता। गुलामी की कोई भी निशानी इस देश में नहीं रहनी चाहिए, यह भाव माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी सदा रखते हैं।
Well, Mohit and Nyamika are both connected with us. Mohit, if you can help us understand as far as the reasoning that is now being given by the leaders there who have had changed their nameplates. However, officially the road is still known as Tughlaq Lane. What happens from here on, especially when it comes to now the new address is now concerned, or what does leaders seem to be showcasing in their nameplates?
Well, in fact, when it comes to the name changing of Tughlaq Lane by these MPs, two of the senior leaders of the BJP, including Union Minister Krishnapal Gurjar, Dinesh Sharma, who is the Rajya Sabha member of Parliament from the BJP, and he is the former Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, both have changed their address to Swami Vivekananda Marg. But yes, the name of Tughlaq Lane is also written on those nameplates, but it's in the brackets, it's in smaller letters, while prominently Swami Vivekananda Marg is written at the addresses of both these leaders. Additionally, one more address has the same address as Swami Vivekananda Marg, that is of a senior official from the Indian Navy who also resides at the Tughlaq Lane. So clearly, we see that three of the houses have changed their nameplates to Swami Vivekananda Marg. Now, why this they have done is that Dinesh Sharma yesterday shifted to this particular residence on Tughlaq Lane, where he went and said that while speaking to the media that because when you open Google Maps, the Tughlaq Lane is not shown. It's shown as Swami Vivekananda Marg, and perhaps that is why he says that he has asked the officials to change the nameplate from Tughlaq Lane to Swami Vivekananda Marg, but he has also kept the name of Tughlaq Lane in the nameplate. Now, that could be the reasoning that is coming in from the BJP, but we know for a fact that how BJP has been demanding this for a long time, that every single message, every single symbol of slavery should go. Hence, we saw that in 2015, the name of Aurangzeb Road was changed to Dr. Abdul Kalam Road. And now we see that how these leaders have changed the name of these roads outside their residence. But we also know that Krishnapal Gurjar, while speaking to the media today,
BJP says this is embracing Indianness. Stay on with us, Mohit and Niyamika. We have some breaking inputs coming in. The Congress party is calling this a diversionary tactic by the BJP. And here's how the Congress is responding and hitting out at the Bharatiya Janata Party.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी जब जनता की लड़ाई नहीं लड़ेगी, मुद्दों की लड़ाई जब उसके पास नहीं है और जनता के मुद्दों को जब भटकाना हो तो उस प्रकार की राजनीति करती है, वो उनको मुबारक। वैसे तो गुजरात में सरदार पटेल स्टेडियम का नाम मूर्ख राजा ने बदलकर अपने नाम पर कर दिया है, तो क्या कहेंगे कि वो भी तो मूर्ख है जो सरदार पटेल का नाम मिटाने का जो कोशिश करे, उससे बड़ी मूर्खता तो क्या हो सकती है।
After the Congress, the Samajwadi Party is also targeting the BJP. Samajwadi Party says it appears BJP has their own constitution.
बीजेपी स्वयं अपने आप में एक संविधान है। वो देश के बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर के बनाए संविधान नियमों कानूनों को नहीं मानती हैं। इस तरह की चीजें लगातार सामने देखने को मिलती हैं, लेकिन मैं इतना जानता हूं कि बीजेपी कुछ भी कह ले, कोई तुगलक का रोड का नाम बदल ले, अकबर रोड का नाम बदल ले, जिस भी रोड का नाम बदलना बदल ले, तुम्हारे दिल में इस देश के आम नागरिक, जिसको हम पीडीए परिवार कहते हैं, उसके लिए कोई जगह नहीं है। पिछड़ों के लिए कोई सम्मान नहीं है, और आपको जो हमारे दलित कम्युनिटी है उनके लिए कोई सम्मान नहीं है। उनके आइकॉन के लिए आपको कोई किसी तरीके की चीजें आप लोगों ने नहीं करी हैं।
We have Niyamika now on the broadcast with us. Niyamika, Samajwadi Party and the Congress both hitting out at the BJP, saying does the Bharatiya Janata Party have their own constitution? And the Congress saying this is nothing but a bit to divert attention from real issues.
Well, indeed, and various Congress leaders have reacted over the same, as they are saying that it is basically a tactics on the part of the BJP to divert from the real issues, because the Congress party is also saying that BJP has nothing else to do instead, rather than focusing upon the literacy rate, rather than focusing upon the unemployment rate. They are just focused upon changing the name of the roads and the streets, and that is the only reason why such kind of move is being taken on the part of the Union Minister Krishnapal Gurjar, as well as the Rajya Sabha MP of the BJP, Mr. Dinesh Sharma, as well as for that reason, not just this, but in fact the Delhi Congress leader and ex-member of Parliament, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, has also reacted over the same, and he said that BJP doesn't follow the ideals which are being given by Swami Vivekananda. They are just naming these roads on the name of Swami Vivekananda, but whatever teachings he had given to the entire country, whether it is about the caste or not bringing religion into politics, that is not being followed by the BJP at all. As he has also mentioned that how the BJP is only doing politics in the name of religion and caste, and that is the reason why he had said that it doesn't matter even if some of the BJP members changed the address of their residences in the name of Swami Vivekanand. On the other side, it is the Samajwadi Party who has responded very sharply.
Right, so the opposition hitting out at the BJP over the name change controversy. Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on now and shifting our focus to Tamil Nadu. As the showdown over the national education policy